Tonight we're making pie. Turkey pot pie, that is, on Cooking With Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's really fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixel trucker, but she's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making turkey pot pie. Who doesn't like turkey pot pie? You know, it's kind of a staple of after a big turkey dinner thing, you make a pot pie or a stew. I already made a soup with it, so now I'm making a pot pie. I figured, what the hell. If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, make it. So let's get started on this one, guys. We are going to start by making by frying our onions. The pot pie is finished. Didn't turn out quite how I hoped. It's a little runny, but I read that in the comments, so I guess they were right. Looks okay. Hopefully it tastes a hell of a lot better than it looks. That's the main thing, really, isn't it? So let's give it a shot, see what we think with some potato and some turkey on there, and we'll find out. Cooked well. Cooked well. I will take a few more of those comments in the hand, though. It did say it was rather bland, and I will agree with them there. And it is rather soupy. I wouldn't recommend this one, guys, but hey, whatever. Give it a shot if you want. Not a big deal. Anyway, come take a look at the date and time. It is the 14th of, the hell month are we? April. It's 7:51 in Temiskaming Shores. Pretty late dinner tonight. Anyway, guys, if you like what you see them, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget the subscribe button. And anything you want to see me cook, throw it in the comments, guys. Love to hear from you. I'll take a screenshot of this bad boy so we know the date. And we'll see you next time, guys. Who the hell knows what I'm going to be cooking? Find out then. Bye for now.